Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan, December 4, Wednesday. Let's start with Bitcoin on daily chart as usual. Morning, Andrei. Morning, Deep Soul. Morning, Catalin. Morning, Ricky. Well, nice times to be alive in crypto. You saw what happened overnight. They pumped, and they pumped nicely, some of them. Well, that's nice to see that the market is pushing higher. Okay. First of all, is the last day when you can join VIP for the next 2 months, because we have that offer December plus January. So if you want to join, you can do it today, and after that you can join in February again. It's up to you. Yeah. Study the join VIP on Discord and you'll see more details if you want. You still have to DM Stefan, you still have to kind of prove that you are able to follow the trades, but you'll see all the details there. Okay, now Bitcoin daily consolidating here. You can see I have the divergence here. I showed people in Kappa 1 yesterday. Yeah, this divergence as an example. But I consider this one for the moment a range. Yeah, we are fighting 100k and support it's at 90. We are fighting that level. I'm not bearish, I'm not bullish here. I'm thinking range. And we played the range game pretty nicely there. And we are still playing. As long as Bitcoin stays bounded there between 190, altcoins could do something nice. And you saw some examples. Pumping overnight, all of a sudden, well, Ripple pumped. Well, let me see that Tron pumped. Well, Link pumped. All shitcoins are getting a bit. Yeah. Remember a couple of months ago, if you asked about a shitcoin, old one, well, it's dead. Well, the new ones are the best. Yeah, I still remember some people saying that. Well, no, I don't touch the old ones. Really? Well, look at them. So as long as Bitcoin stays here, everything is nice and clean. Yeah, indeed, we have this divergence. Is there? Divergence could mean the market will go sideways. Let's just wait and see what will happen. We had some bad news in Korea yesterday, but you saw that market bounced a little bit, dumped a little bit, and nothing matters. Bitcoin has a direction above all-time high again, sooner than later. Okay, so that's Bitcoin on daily. Let's see Ethereum on daily. Where are you, Ethereum? There you go. Yeah, remember this uptrend channel? I was posted here, and look what happened. Every time we try to touch this line, we bounced. Here we touched it and we bounced. Yesterday, Stefan even took this level here, yeah, because it has a lot of confluences here, and posted on VIP, and they are deep in profit on Ethereum on that trade. It's possible if you are sharp enough. Overall, Ethereum is this uptrend and is respecting really well this big channel and even the smaller one. You can see there are two channels here, the smaller one. So we can consider this the middle of big one or the top of the small one. As long as the market is doing higher highs and higher lows, nothing to worry about. Yeah. On the swing trading part, on 4-hour chart, we still have that long from $3,127 and is still kicking. The target is higher, 4,100. Yeah, no, takes a lot of patience to stay in that trade. But usually, actually, trading and investing needs patience. If you don't have patience, do something else. So Ethereum on daily looks nice, clean. You can see RSI. It's kind of clean here. Let me add OBV also. 1 second. I use this template for an example, and now it's a bit destroyed, but I'll put it back. We are not in the overbought yet on daily. So we can get in the overbought, we can stay there, and then maybe at some point in time we'll do a bearish divergence. Pretty clean from my perspective. And seeing RSI not hitting the 711 and not accepting there for the moment tells me that Ethereum could pump a lot more. We'll see. So that's Ethereum on daily. Well, I think Bitcoin dominance is the next we should look. Those who want to pump, those who want to give us a retest. No, one direction only. Kind of scares me, this kind of move, but let's embrace it and let's make some money. You can see we touched 60%, we touched 61, we rejected, and from that fucking moment dominance is dropping like a hammer. Just look at it. Yeah, indeed we have support here, but I don't see anything. I don't see divergence. I don't see any structure. Look at OBV, look at RSI. It's down only, slowly bleeding. I don't know if you can call this one slowly, but it's bleeding for sure. Anyway, dominance is going down, so altcoins, specifically some strong ones, will pump. We'll discuss about altcoins a bit later. DXY still in this area 105 and 110, playing around there. Well, nothing we can do. And now total market cap. Well, it's pushing higher. Strong like bull. AB equals CD. Kind of aggressive. Really aggressive, actually. Total 2. Well, just a little bit, and one push more, and we can take the all-time high. We can say, well, on total 2, we are in a bullish environment. New high. Show me a new high and I'll show you a buy, like all traders are saying. We are close to that level. But you can see, straight up. And total 3, well, this one, look at it. Look at it. How well and nice recovered everything. We are at the all-time high from yesterday. Look at it. We are fighting that level today. All-time high. Just look at it. If we'll accept above, well, tell me where we'll stop. I don't know. Could do 2 trillion? 3? I don't know. It's possible. You saw Ripple pumping like was a small shitcoin. Huh? And Ripple is not a small shitcoin. Ripple is a fucking big shitcoin. You saw Tron pumping. Tron again. It's a shitcoin, but it's not a small one. You saw how fast was pumping overnight. I had to go on 1 minute chart with Holy Grail to get an entry. I was waiting on 15. I was looking at 5. Well, this one doesn't want to give me an entry. I'll take 1 minute. I took it and I'm in deep profit with that one. But they are pumping like crazy. Enjoy this environment. Book some profit. This environment will not last forever. Don't think you are the best trader because you are buying something and it's pumping. Everything is pumping. Okay. We discussed these ones. Anything else here? Well, ES. We should look at ES. And ES is telling us that yesterday we made a new all-time high. Congrats, people. We are bullish. Like we said, look at the high. Look at what happened here. We closed above this high. We are pushing higher. So don't be bearish. When you'll see M's, when you'll see at least a range, for the moment we are making new highs. Nice environment. Weekly shitcoin. W retest here. Look at RSR. What this motherfucker did. Can you see it? Let's put weekly here. Just look at it. Yeah, had a good reason that I get it. Fundamental, not fundamental. Some news with RSR, but look at that move. Strong. You cannot chase here. Don't chase this one. If you want to take the big one here, still a lot lower. I'll patiently wait at my level. Hopefully I'll get a fill. Will be a gift, will be a really nice level to get a fill if we'll reach that level. Most of them are pumping. Look, that Mubi is retesting some levels. I don't know if we'll go back down here, but it's retesting at least. You can see it's red with 9%. And I think it's the only one from this list so low. Ren, it's on the entry if you want it. But there are still a lot of altcoins that they didn't really pump. Let's say, well, it's pumping. No, you can still get an entry. You can still wait patiently for a dip. We didn't had a nice strong retracement on Bitcoin. What a strong retracement means? Kind of 20%, 30%. That's a big dip. That's a dip. You want to load everything if we'll see that. Until then, if it's dropping a little bit like yesterday, well, load some altcoins, book some profit, repeat the process. Okay, so I spoke about this list multiple times. Not, I don't think, I'll talk Sunday again and weekly crypto review. Now let's go on the lower time frame. Bitcoin here, it's kind of strong. You can see we are short with Shark. We are in a free position. I closed the 50% at 1-to-1. Maybe someone else did something else. It's up to you. My idea was to give you a good level for a hedge or for a short. I did that. I said to make a free position. From now on, it's up to you how you manage. But even if you are strong here, you have to understand that we have a big YAM here and we have a smaller one here. We are retesting that YAM. We need to take the highs here for this YAM to be invalidated. Let's see what will happen. I'm still short and I'm okay with that. But I'm still short and I'm okay with that with 2% from my attention. The rest is focusing on altcoins because they are pumping and they are moving and we can make some money. So I don't pay attention too much on Bitcoin. As long as it stays below 100k, everything is nice and clean. Altcoins, they have green light to pump. And we talked about Ethereum yesterday. Let's talk again today. Yeah, you can see that channel is here. Look at the retest. Support is pushing higher. If we'll accept above this one, we'll push a lot higher. Simple as that, people. We got a really nice entry. You don't give up on an entry like that because you want to book the entire profit. If you do, then good luck finding a new one. I'm still in that trade. Albert, I'm Paul J. I'm not Stefan. Stefan is in the chat. Okay. So Ethereum, if you are still in the trade, hold the trade. If you are from VIP and you have the Stefan trade from this low, keep it. Could do something nice. You saw altcoins pumping. Ethereum could pump to $4,000. So move your stop to scratch and hold the rest of the position, please. Okay, a TIA 4-hour chart. I saw someone in the chat. Well, it's pumping. It's in the resistance area. Why you want me to do here? No. I'll not chase this one here. If I want to trade it, okay, let's assume this one will do something like this and we'll retest. Well, that's an entry. Okay, but entry at the resistance here, not a good idea. If you want to play it on lower time frame on 15-minute chart, okay, use Holy Grail and you can do that. It's strong indeed, could pump really nicely if you are long from below, but for a trade here, location is not the best. I'll tell you that. But if you put the Holy Grail, well, you can see, look at it. Uptrend channel, just wait for a dip to give you an entry and you can play with Holy Grail 15-minute chart. Simple as that. Here could do nice things. I prefer to clear these highs and then to give me an entry. Okay, 1 hour chart, similar stuff. I don't know if it has an uptrend with the Holy Grail. Let's see. No, it doesn't. You can see on 1 hour, Holy Grail wants the same as I want. Wants to clear this high, to become bullish again, and then to give an entry. Exactly like I said. Okay, let's go back on 4-hour chart. And let's hide this one. We don't need it here. Okay. Someone said something about another coin. CRV. We have CRV here, I think. Where are you? Stable coin. I don't have it here. Let's put it here. CRV. Perpetual. Well, that's a nice stable coin. Okay. It's pumping. If you manage to get an entry with Stefan, well, enjoy it. Yeah. Stefan, you said it's a stable coin. Not me. I'm just repeating after you. So, yeah, it's not a stable coin. It's pumping. Takes a lot of patience to hold the trade. You can see the Stefan message where they hit the long bottom. I have a good spot bag on this one. I don't leverage this one for the moment, but I have the spot bag here in this consolidation. Just look at it. Yeah, and I'm kind of 4x in profit now, because my entry, if I remember correctly, is kind of 25. And now it's $1. But I prefer not to look too deeply on the bags, on spot bags, on higher time frame. No? I don't want to start doing TA on lower time frame on the coins, on that position. Why? Because I'll be tempted to sell, and it's not the time to sell. Not yet, at least. Yeah? So that's why I'm not looking to see, well, I have a bag, it's 2x, and let's see. No. Just leave it alone. Don't touch it. Don't even think about it. It's easier to just hold that bag there. If you scratch it too hard and you look at it too often, you'll be tempted to sell. And then you don't get the entry back. So just leave it alone. Okay. A lot of altcoins are pumping, like Tao now, it's pushing higher. Well, if you have the entry we gave you here, and you did like we said, to close partially here and trail the rest, well, there you go. Just look at it. It's going for that $1,000 finally. Yeah. It's trying to do an AB equals CD. It's really aggressive. If you still have it, enjoy. Well, we are not discussing which one is better, which one is stronger, which one is... My shitcoin is better, my entry is better than you. Well, show me at the end of this cycle how much money you managed to keep. You can brag with that at the end of the cycle. Until then, don't tell me. I saw too many times, actually 2 times, people making a lot of money. I'm the smartest guy in the yard, I'm the best, I make a lot of money, and they give everything back. Yeah, so please don't. On Crypto Traders Arena, we don't even allow PNLs. We are professionals, we are not fucking around. Well, look at my PNL. Look at my dick, it's bigger than yours. Come on, what is that? Percentage wise, okay, I made 5% from my trade. Okay, I'm using a high leverage. If I show you a trade made by me with the leverage set at max, because leverage is just a tool, if you get it, finally some people got that idea. You look like I tripled my account. I tripled my account? No, because I'm risking 1% for my portfolio. But I set the leverage on max. I don't want to fuck around with that. Yeah, so please don't brag and don't say my PNL and my coin is better than yours. I don't want to hear something like that. Okay, now Everything is pumping except Doji. Okay, that's good. Come back to Papa at $1. I'll load up again because this one will pump probably sooner than later. I want my $1, like we have the soundboard on Discord. Yeah, I want my 2 cents. We'll see. Let's take them one by one on 4-hour chart. Well, if you are long, there you go. You booked a 3 to 1 and you are still in profit. And you can still do great things. Look at that entry on Osmo. Okay. AB equals CD on PIT is pushing higher. Well, fortunately I don't have that. This one is trying to push higher. It's strong, but it's kind of stable strong. I don't see exponential moves for the moment. That doesn't mean will not happen. This one doesn't have any news or something, but could pump all of the sudden. Chase it there, not a good idea. Alt is pumping, which is nice. This one on higher time frame is looking better than on 4-hour chart. It's strong here, but I don't see a new setup. People, I could see a chart looking strong, and I don't like it because I want new setups. So when you see me getting to the next one, is because I don't see a setup to frame now, not because the market is not strong. Dimension, well, it's stopping for the moment. Maybe we'll do an AB equals CD, but it's kind of violent here. I don't like it. Not even on 4-hour. Look at GOAT. It's finally making that W, but the W, like we discussed, if you remember, I prefer the W in the long reload zone. Well, there you go, people. That's the W. Look at it. Breaking out. Nice and clean. Downtrend channel. The other side. W the other side of the trend channel, trend line. Call it whatever you want. Now we can delete this trend channel. Leave only the trend line. And you can see you have a perfect LJ. Take it or leave it. There you go. That's your trade. Kind of equal lows there. I don't like that. But you don't look too deeply on the trends like this. You take what you get. Okay? Okay, let's hunt a 3 to 1 and trail for more. Okay? That's your trade. That's your LJ. Look at it. It's there. Take it or leave it. Tao, we discussed this one. Pepe, triangle breakout and things like that. It's just consolidating sideways. Nothing. Manta, pushing higher and higher. I have to zoom out and I have to clean my charts after this live stream. Solana. Still thinking AB equals CD. Still thinking. We were dropping yesterday and all of a sudden someone said, well, let's do an ETF on Solana. Well, let's pump Solana then. Solana is pumping again. Aevo, it's pushing higher. Who has a good spot bag knows what I mean. Yeah, it's almost double from the lows. And I just in the last week, I decided to add another list with some altcoins I want to buy on spot, and I decided to make a new account, and I just bought Aevo included. I bought it as low as possible, and I'm just riding that without using little old lady, without using anything. I just bought a bag and I'll keep it as long as possible. It's that time that I could afford to do that. Yeah. This one, AB, 2 times, consolidating, don't touch it. Bonk. Well, we had a nice LJ there, but you can see what happened with Bonk. Bonk, stop us out, and it's back at entry. Nothing we can do. I don't see a new setup here. Doge is still going sideways with that bot setup. Well, it's kind of funny, but it's not stopping us out. It's not giving us take profit. It's just staying there. FET is pushing higher and higher. It's hard to take an entry on FET, a simple, but you can hope on 4-hour chart. You can see the Holy Grail. I'll go on 1 hour to show you. Well, you see, you can play with 1 hour Holy Grail. You had an entry here, you had another entry here. Yeah, Monday. Even an entry, yeah, yesterday. If you're a bit aggressive, you can get that level. So play with Holy Grail on 1 hour if you want to get. Even 50-minute chart could be a good one. A bit too aggressive. But I don't think you can get anything else on FET for the moment. It's grinding higher. Ripple, well, on Ripple, nothing you can do. On Ripple, you can look with the Holy Grail on 1 hour and say, well, look at this tool. Motherfucker. Tool, look at how strong and nice it is. Yeah, you can see you got an entry at 50 cents and you are still in the trade. Stop loss below $2. If Ripple wants to go to $10, for example, well, this tool will keep you in the trade. And this tool is just a bonus and only a bonus for premium and VIP members. I'm not selling this tool. I'm not giving it for free. No, I consider that who is a premium member or a VIP member in Crypto Traders Arena should have this tool. Simple as that. You cannot get access otherwise. Only if you are a premium or VIP. But in the same time, premium for 1 year and 3 months is $450. I don't know. It's up to you. So that's Ripple. Phantom, well, some people said that is dead. Even in the bear market. Well, this one will never recover. Well, I don't think it's true. Look at it. It's making daily, weekly W's. Let's put weekly W's. Daily. This is a daily. If I put a weekly, you will see it on weekly. Look at this one. Let's hide the Holy Grail. Huh? Weekly W. A bigger weekly W. Even a monthly W. You think this one could push above $3.5? You think you can push this one to $10? Well, if you saw what Ripple did, I think you can push it even higher than that. So a 10x from here, it's possible. Don't ignore that message. Yeah? Let's put a house level. Let's see what house is telling us. Come on, do a bullish one. Well, look at the confluences here. 2.6.8 add highs at $3 here. The next one is 4.7, kind of $5. The next one is at $8. Well, and the next one it's all the way up there. Could reach that level in the right condition. Yeah. See the market cap on Phantom, 16 times that. See if it's possible. If you don't think it's possible, compare it with Ripple. And then you'll think it's possible. You'll think it's probable. I'm joking. I don't know how high this one will go, but that's my way of seeing targets with house level. And I have my big monthly W. I could draw the house levels and I'll sell my bags. At first level, nah, I don't know if I'll sell, maybe 10%. But I'll sell here, here, P-cycle top or this level. We'll see. E-gold, well, people, let me tell you something. Years ago, I was participating. Someone invited me to help him build a Telegram channel, Telegram group. Call it whatever you want. And I was posting there, me and Stefan, and we are really active. And we had some contradiction, and we said, well, fuck it, we'll stay on our ground, and we decided to leave. But I told people there that, I will come back and tell them when I'll start buying e-gold again. A couple of months ago, when the price was here, in this area, I joined back that Telegram group and I post them the chart. Guess what they told me? The same people that here at 100 and below at $100. They are aggressively doing dollar cost average, and I said it's stupid. They told me at $25 or $28, they don't care about e-gold. It's old. They need something new and shiny. Simple as that. I did what I promised. I said, well, when I'll start buying e-gold, I'll come here and I'll tell you. Well, I did that. They listened? No. But that's their problem, not mine. Let's go back on daily. Let's go back. You can see here on e-gold. Don't chase e-gold here. We had e-gold here. We had here a bot setup, which is already done. Now you are against this consolidation. Could pump? Yeah, could pump. You want to chase here? No. Simple as that. I don't know if I still have that template. Probably here. Let me look. E-gold. Where are you, e-gold? Well, there you go. That's the chart I posted. Okay? That's the chart I posted on e-gold. Look at it. Nothing overcomplicated. I have this blue line, this blue level here from the top, from below the top here, and I said I want that level. If I'll get that level, I'll start buying the gift one, because I am considering where this is fair value, where I want will probably go and I want to buy, and this is a gift. The gift level was $10. We never reached that level, but I said I'll buy my e-gold back at $20. Well, look at it. I had this one here from long time, and I come back to them and I told them, well, I'm buying back. I'm buying e-gold here. Well, you cannot do better than that, people. Okay. So that's e-gold. It's pumping. You can chase it with Holy Grail. You know the drill. You can see. Daily 4-hour chart. You can see Holy Grail is working. Yeah, look at 4-hour chart. Nice and clean. 1 hour. Well, look at 1 hour. Can you tell me what kind of nice tool is that? Look at it. First entry here, 35, now you're at 55. Almost you'll get a double if you'll push. And I think it's pushing high. Stefan is from 19. Stefan is long from 19. Never reached that level, but Stefan is long from 19. Well, people, let's stop here if I don't see more requests. It's an overview kind of daily crypto plan. Overview on higher time frame and some ideas. Not too many things I could tell you on altcoins. Yeah, on altcoins I could tell you buy the dip if you see a dip, or chase with Holy Grail. It's that simple, people. Nothing you can do more than that to be more profitable. So if you have Holy Grail access, you go on 5-15 minute chart and you are chasing, yeah, with Holy Grail. You can do that. If you don't like that, well, wait for a dip. Yesterday we had a nice dip, we bought it, we are in profit. Yeah, I saw Stefan posting the dips on VIP, and then I didn't say anything. I just let him. He got a really nice entry on Ethereum. I saw it. Yeah. Honestly, I have too many long positions, and I have to slow down because they are hard to manage. So to open more, it's kind of difficult because I have too many of them deep in profit, and I have to. It's more profitable for me now to manage the old ones and move decide where I should put my stop. You should activate automatic trail and so on, than to open new positions. Yeah, I opened only one on last night on Tron. Let's see if we have that template. It's somewhere here. Yeah, there you go. I was trying to chase here with the 50-minute chart, and I said, well, let's buy it. Didn't manage to do that with 50-minute chart. You can see nothing to do. I said, well, I'll try with 5. Well, you can see what we had here. But if you go on one fucking minute, you can see something nice here. Now, this give me an entry. This consolidation here, entry on 1 minute, stop loss really tight, and I booked some profit here in the highs, and I'm still in with the rest. My level of trading now, it's on 50-minute chart, so my stop loss, it's kind of at the same level, nothing I can do. Yeah? I took some profit, and now I prefer to keep the stop loss far away from the market. I don't want to be stopped out on this one. Why? Because Tron could go to 50 cents or even $1. You saw what Ripple, Link, and others did. I could see Tron pushing a lot higher. Yeah? So I don't want to stay in front of that. I want to book as much as possible. You said 1 hour on what, Catalin? Say it again, please. Say it again. I'll take your call and then I'll wrap it up. Link 1 hour. Yeah, why not? Let's look at Link 1 hour. Link. Perpetual. Okay, 1 hour. Let's do 1 hour. Too high. Too high. Holy Grail you had yesterday, you had an entry. Now here, kind of symmetrical triangle here. It's hard to chase something like that. You can on 50-minute chart. Yeah. So if you decide to enter here, you should put the stop loss below this week. You can see it's in confluence with the ATR of Holy Grail. Hide your stop loss below this week low and hope that this trend will continue, Catalin. Yeah. So 1 hour, I don't see but 50-minute chart with Holy Grail could give you something. Hide your stop loss below this week and hope that the market will push higher. That's your idea. I think you want continuation. You can see the last entry is here. Another entry is here on Holy Grail. So it's in the buying area with Holy Grail. Yeah. Hide your stop loss below this week low and hope for the best. Nothing you can do more than that. You prefer Link. Look at Tau. Just look at Tau pumping even now. Look at motherfucker Tau. Look at it. How aggressive it is. Like I said, I think it's going for that 1000 mark. Finally, some influencer will be right. Well, I told you so. Well, good for them. We have our bags, spot, and more than enough. Okay, people. I don't see too many requests. Actually, not too many things you can do in this market. Either you wait for a dip and buy the dip, either you are chasing with Holy Grail or other tool. Maybe you have a similar one. Up to you. But a warning. Don't get used to this environment and become greedy. Move your stop to scratch as soon as possible. Book some partial. Why? Because if you study the last cycles, the last exponential part of the cycle, so let's go on daily, you'll see sharp drops every time, 25-30%. So imagine that Bitcoin will drop to 70k. What will happen with altcoins? If you are greedy and you, well, or sloppy, didn't put a stop loss and you are with leverage, you can destroy your account. And I don't see the point to work and build a portfolio and then to lose it in one trade. Okay, so extra careful on the mistakes. Don't do mistakes. Don't be greedy. Book some profit. Move your stop. Yeah, manage the position properly and you'll be okay. Don't be sloppy because I'll show you. Let me go back on all-time high. Okay. Look at this drop, people. This was one day from 53 to 42. $11,000 drop in one fucking day. I'll let you go on altcoins in that day to see what happened. Okay, and you had another one here, look at it. You had another drop here. So pay attention, don't be sloppy. I'm telling you from my mistakes, from my journal, protect your trades. Yeah, and if you are in profit, at least move your stop to scratch. If you don't want to book the profit, at least you'll protect what you have already in your account. Yeah. Okay, guys. See you next time. Tomorrow with the same video. If you're a premium member, you can join the New York session. By the way, I'll remind you that the VIP, it's the last day you can join on VIP. Yeah. At the end of the day, we'll close the registration and that's it. February, you can try again. This time we had no limit. We made an exception for this offer. No limit entries. I don't think we'll keep that one. There are too many people in VIP now. So we'll select, we'll see what we can do. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye bye.